Oh, sorry. Um, I'm sorry, I'm just reading the text that I can read. No, I'm not singing anyone I remember today. I'm singing. Hmm. Oh, the time I guess. Good time. Okay. Oh yeah. You probably won't hear the music right after this. It's always a good time. Whoa, it's always a good time. Wake up on the side of the bed. It's not just the sun inside my head. Hands up, it goes down, keep it down tonight. Cause it's always a good time. Get in on my clothes, I got feelings too. Tension, you can't tell me when you are. Something at the time, keep it down. Cause it's always a good night. When it gets down. It's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. Shut my phone and my phone again. Shut out in my room at the 8 p.m. Shut out if you're down to get down tonight. Cause it's always a good time to remember now. And if it's a twilight, it's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. There's a good time. I'm stopping there because I want to okay. Dancing, my friend said that was gay, and he does kind of. And usually Carly doesn't sing the right. He just sings it low. So my friend said bad like that. Like we should both have both parts in the same, like half and half, so they even not like you sing more. That's what I think. Cause like the guys are more. My friend thinks he's gay and no. Bye.